Very good morning.
This program will provide a familiarization, touch, and in-depth understanding on different aspects of novel materials covering the preparation routes, characterization, and applications.
Beautiful. So this is an actual visualization of the macroscopic effect of quantum effect, which is the Miser effect.
Published in many newspapers because of its importance. Also, we also try to publish its work in.
So dendrites happens. I think in real times, what happened means it can immediately short, then it starts to expand. Which means that with the existing technology, although lithium metal possesses a higher energy density possible, may not be in a position to replace the existing technology. But people don't want to give it up. So they thought that
change in this structure, and it was also ascertained by the Raman. The crystallinity is maintained. Water content angle 134 degrees. There is no change in the.
And this is an example of a metal organic framework, which is made by using the porphyrin network.
Water temperature is going up like this. Another interaction is trying to kill magnetism. These two interactions compete, and net result is that.
So we explored the properties in moly disulfide. In fact, gives all these tunability, microstructurally and Taylor size.
Such material, when you want to develop such material, when we say these materials are multifunctional, and then the material, whatever you are making in a nano form, and then you are taking this material into bulk form, that we call it as bulk nano material. So the bulk nano
this thermoelectric device actually can generate voltage. Basically, from this delta T, it will generate delta V.
Coming onto the structure of gallium oxide, this has got an unit cell. This is a unit cell thing which possesses two.
The dye-sensitized solar cell, which is mainly composed of 5 major components, that is FTO, the semiconducting material, the dye molecule, and electrolyte, and then the counter electrode, that is the platinum electrode.
The lithium ion to move through the electrolyte, and electron flows this way. So this is what happens when you charge the battery. Okay.
A typical, as I told you, the TBFE2 or R, I mean here the rarest, any TOFE2 or DOFE2, whatever the alloy you take, this is how the structure. Now you can grow your silica in these channels that you see. So by tuning the size of this droplet, I can tune the size of the DFNS. We can keep these droplets away from
laboratory, and how to grow aluminum nitride in A-axis orientation. All those things I am going to discuss now.
Primary focus is to make this material in a large area. Like a large area means wafer scale, using a different approach. So our approach is, it's called gas phase CVD approach. CVD means chemical vapor deposition.
the thermoelectrics. So thermoelectrics is not new. It was like way back. It was started in 1960. As you know that the energy demand is increasing globally due to the industrialization as well as the household demand. So
students find a problem that stimulates their thinking. They gather information to pose tentative solutions to the problem, and applying those solutions help them validating their knowledge.